Hey everybody, welcome to Mr. Bohan's YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Peyton, and we are going to do some two-digit multiplication. And you might see on my pad here I have what's up with the placeholders. So we're going to pay attention to placeholders today in that turtle egg. And I taught Peyton the turtle method previously, so I'm going to draw a turtle here. Turn this two-digit multiplication problem into a turtle head. There's his head, there's his mouth, there's his little beady eye at the top. Look like a turtle? Close enough. Don't be a critic. All right, so what are we going to do first in this two-digit multiplication problem? Mr. Peyton, teach us.
We're going to do 20 times 5.
20 Where's the 20? I don't see a 20.
You take away that 8 and turn it into a 0, but we're not going to actually do that. And we just have the 20, and then we do times 5.
So we're doing 28 times 5 first, but we're breaking it up into the, I call that the partial product method. Do you know the partial product method, Peyton?
Nope.
You don't? Well, Peyton likes red, so we're going to use red today to do partial product. That means I find the product or the answer in multiplication, so 28 times 5 first, and then I multiply the rest after that. So 28 times 5, you said, to break it up into 20 times 5 and
8 times 5.
Times 5, because we can multiply by 5 pretty easily, can't we? What's 20 times 5, Peyton?
20 times 5 is 100.
100, that's right. Peyton says it's 100. It is 100 for sure. And 8 times 5?
40.
40. And so, okay, we multiplied them separately. We found part of the product. Now what do?
We put a plus next to them and a line under them.
So we need to add them back together because we found part of the product and part of the product. We need to put the whole product together and we get
140, because 0 plus 0 is 0, and then 0 plus 4 is 4, and then 1 plus 0, well, nothing, is 1.
So I'm going to put 140 over here. So we found part of the product. Now what do we have to do?
We have to do.
Let's first give them a call out so we know we used the 5 already. Now what are we going to multiply?
To do.
Oh wait, there's the P word. Remember this?
Bump. Bump.
Let's lay an egg. It's a blue robin's egg. Or some people call it a meatball.
That is a big egg.
That's a big egg, and it's also a placeholder. What do we need placeholders for?
To make it so our numbers aren't all mixed up and they're in a line, and so that we know that we're multiplying by tens.
Yes, so 6 tens times 28, or 2 tens and 8 ones, right?
So 60 times 28.
That's true, that's what we're doing, isn't it? But this is the 0 in our 60. So then we can just multiply by 28 times 6 and do a two-digit by one-digit multiplication problem, which we've already learned, and make it a little easier for us. So what are we going to multiply next? 28 times 6?
How
How about we multiply 6 times 8?
Okay.
Yeah? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Choose a different color. Back to red. 6. There's the 6. And I'm going to multiply that times 8 ones. So this is actually 6 tens times 8 ones. But we already have a placeholder, so we can drop that off. What's 6 times 8? 6 times 8 is
48.
48. Nice rhyme. 6 times 8 is 48, so we did this times this. What's left to multiply? 2 times 6, but this isn't just 2, is it?
It's 20.
It's 20 times 6. 20
But
times 6
can do
equals?
120.
Because we do 6 times 2.
Yeah.
And then
add
put
a
the
0. Yeah.
There we go. So what's left?
We add them together.
Add them together and we get
1. Wait, hold up. We get 168.
Ooh, 168.
to draw on it.
So we can put 100, 6 tens, and 8 ones. But there's a placeholder there, so it's actually 1,680.
You gotta put your comma there.
Okay, put my comma. Now what?
You add them together.
Add them together. Okay, so we're gonna do addition. So we found the product of this, we found the product of this. 28 times 60 is 1,680. That's right.
We do 0 plus 0.
0 plus 0?
0.
Okay.
And then we do 4 plus 8, which is 12.
Okay.
But you put 2 down at the bottom with all the other numbers.
Here?
And then put the put the 1 back at the top on the other number.
Can't see you.
On the other number.
Why?
Because you can't put 2 numbers in one column thing.
I see. So we have one column. We got extra tens there. We got to put the group of 10 tens over in the hundreds because 10 tens makes
100.
100. So we put another 100 over in the hundreds, and then we have 100 plus 600.
And then you do 2 plus 6, which is 8.
8 hundreds.
And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So 1,820.
Nice work, dude. High five. I think we got it right. Do you think we got it right? Let us know if we made any mistakes and what you want to see us do next time. Like and subscribe. What do you call that?
Smash that like button.
Smash the like button. Bye, y'all.
Bye.